Hello, this is Mike Davin coming to you from Dealer Week, and I'm here with Marc Hertert from IDS Marine, and we're going to talk a little bit about where we've been coming from and look ahead a little bit to 2026. So, Marc, thank you so much for joining me.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
I'd like to start off by taking a little bit of a look back at 2025 and where we've been. In your mind, how would you describe 2025 in the marine industry?
Yeah, 2025, I think, was a difficult year for a lot of folks. The Canadian market is particularly constrained. The tariffs, I think, had an impact. There's quite a bit of volatility. That being said, we've got some great folks that are performing very well. So there's some bright spots as well.
Any particular highlights that stand out to you?
I would say for us this year, the really exciting piece is that we spun out our marine focus.
Okay.
So we in the past had served both the RV and marine markets. We decided to split the companies apart to have a complete vertical focus in the marine space. We backed that up with spending a whole bunch of time in the field with the customers, trying to better understand the problems they're facing.
Okay.
I think that was really well received.
That's great.
Yeah, it seems to really be resonating.
So we are here together at Dealer Week, and the theme of the conference is Prepare for What's Next. Obviously, none of us can predict what's going to happen in 2026. The last several years have definitely shown us that. But as you look ahead to next year, is there anything that you'd like dealers to be thinking about?
Yeah, I think right now the metrics matter more than they have in the past. I think there's an argument to be made when times are great, being really, really efficient so you can make a lot more money, and when times soften, you rely on having a very deep data set to understand how your business is functioning, to make the cuts where you need to make, so you survive through the dry spells.
We just want to take a quick second to remind you of Dealer Week this year at Tampa, Florida, December 6th to 9th. We got an amazing lineup of speakers, exhibitors, industry leaders, manufacturers, and more. Our focus this year are the new fundamentals. New standards that today's dealers need to know going into the future of the boating industry. Registration is now open, so bring you, your team, and an open mind. We got a ton of amazing things lined up this year. Visit us at www.dealerweek.com to learn more and register.
So another big topic of conversation at the conference is technology and how rapidly it's changing. Are there any particular tools that you feel like are affecting this industry?
Yeah, our Leadership Insights reporting platform is essentially a big BI tool that harnesses the entirety of our database for being able to run the dealership, and then stands it up in a really digestible format that gives executive leadership all the information they need to make big decisions.
One other thing that's inescapable is AI. Everybody's talking about it inside and outside the marine industry. Any AI applications that you're looking at?
Lots and lots we're looking at, lots of things we're testing, nothing we're ready to make an announcement about right now. The unfortunate bit about the AI craze is there's quite a bit of froth, so you have to dig through a whole bunch of different vendor partners or perhaps folks that you're considering buying to layer into your application before you find one that has substance.
Yeah. Big picture, any particular trends that you're watching or things that you think the industry should be paying attention to?
That's interesting. We've been keeping an eye on finance penetration, average finance per copy take. As the transactions have decreased, the importance of capturing the money where it is on a transactional basis has become more and more important. We've built out a tool that allows our dealers to be able to look into the marketplace and say, how am I performing comparative to your operation? In the past, I felt that my folks are doing well, but I didn't have any nationally aggregated data that I could test it against.
Sure.
So now we have real benchmark data so that you can look at a particular store or a particular player within your operation and then look at it and see, okay, how are we performing as national averages? Are we below waterline?
Okay, big picture stuff. That's cool. I know you said there are a few things that you're not quite ready to announce, but are there any company announcements or any news that you want to share with the industry as we head into 2026?
Yeah, our big announcement was simply the spinning off and the vertical focus. We've done a lot of hiring to help support that, and we're going to continue to bring in good folks, focus on the space, understand, leverage our customers to bring good solutions to the market.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you.